Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Clash of Clans game if it keeps on crashing. So let's get started right away. Now if you're trying to play the Clash of Clans game but the game keeps on crashing and you cannot play it well, then there are a few things that you can do in order to fix this issue. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are updated to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and tap on the search box and search for the Clash of Clans application. Once you find it, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of play, then you will need to tap on this button in order to install the latest updates. After the update process is completed, tap on the play button and see if your issue is fixed. If this still doesn't work, then you can try clearing your application data and cache. Long press on Clash of Clans application icon and then tap on the info button to end up within the application info page. From here, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. You can then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner in order to clear all of the user data for the Clash of Clans game. After this process, you will need to sign in to your account once again. However, your issue should now be fixed. If it still doesn't help your case, then you can try sending a support email. Open up the Play Store or the App Store and search for Clash of Clans once again. You can then scroll down once you find the application. From here, tap on App Support and then use the email address to send a support email to the Clash of Clans team. And there you have it. That is how you can try fixing the crashing issues within the Clash of Clans game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.